This video will give you an insight in the revolutionary techniques of robot 3D printing that allows for optimized and geometrically complex systems for passive climate control and therefore more sustainable forms of architecture. Traditional cooling and heating techniques can be quite inefficient and unsustainable. The heating and cooling of buildings takes a lot of unsustainable fossil energy. A better approach would be the use of renewable energy available in nature. Several researchers of the Chair of Design Informatics and Chair of Building Physics and Services at the Faculty of Architecture and the Built Environment have developed a new, revolutionary, sustainable technique to warm and cool buildings, relying on passive techniques only. After a lot of experimenting, the researchers developed a passive solar wall that can be used for heating in winter and cooling in summer. The system can do this because it can rotate the active part of the wall towards the room or towards the window. In winter, during the daytime, the wall can collect the heat from the sun and use this in the evening to warm up a house. By rotation, the solar walls are able to move and control heat from one side to the other. The beauty of the materials are special to this innovation. Phase change materials are used for the heat storage, translucent aerogel for the thermal insulation, and PETG is used in the 3D printing process.
One of the underlying ideas was to experiment with merging design creativity and experimenting with shape, even just for the pleasure of exploring new aesthetics, and on the other hand with functionalities, and trying to not look at technical constraints or technical requirements as constraints.
It is a more sustainable way towards the future than using active systems based on fossil energy.
For the production of the panel, we use robotic additive manufacturing, which gives us the opportunity in the design phase to incorporate certain details which would otherwise be more difficult to incorporate.
A completely new and most of all sustainable technique with the use of natural forces. These forces of nature are visible in the beautiful shape and design of the walls.